This is the Creative Stage V2. It's a 2.1 soundbar with clear dialog and surround audio processing. It comes with a subwoofer in addition to the soundbar. So we're going to unbox this and hook it up with our TV. So this is what the inside of the box looks like once we have opened it. It consists of a soundbar, and over here you've got the subwoofer. And finally, let's take a look at what's inside this box over here. It has got some cables, the power cable as well as a USB-C cable, and some quick start guide. So once again, these are the items in box. It's got the soundbar, it has got the subwoofer, it's got the quick start guide, the worldwide warranty, some regulatory and safety information. It has got the IR remote control. Note that the AAA batteries are not included. It's got the AUX or auxiliary cable, a USB-C cable, as well as a power cord. We'll start by putting batteries into the remote control. So do note again that the AAA batteries are not included. Next, let us plug the power cord onto the soundbar, which is at the back. Right over here, we'll plug in the power cord. And plug the other end into the wall socket. For this exercise, we will use the auxiliary cable or the AUX cable that comes in box. So plug it into the AUX port that's located over here. Plug the other end into the TV. Finally, plug the cable from the subwoofer into the soundbar as shown. There's a SUB port here where you can plug in the subwoofer cable. Now we are ready to power on our Creative Stage. So once you turn on the power at the wall socket, you can see that the soundbar will light up. However, it is not turned on yet. Power on the soundbar by using the remote control by pressing on the power button.
South Australia is coming out of hard lockdown 3 days early after discovering a
once you power it on, you can hear that the sound
from midnight, a stay-at-home order
will come on.
lifted and businesses may reopen.
You can lower the volume using your TV remote. It is now using the auxiliary cable and the sound is coming out from the soundbar. Let's see what happens if we switch off the soundbar. There's no more sound. Let's power it on again. So this is how you connect your stage using the AUX cable. Next, we will use the HDMI cable to connect to the soundbar. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the TV as shown. Plug the other end of the HD cable into the soundbar labeled TV ARC. Remove the AUX cable first. With the HD cable plugged in, using the Creative Stage remote, change the mode to HD.
Brought to you by Sumitomo Corporation.
You can see that the audio system is now on.
Look at the reason behind their high.
You can control the volume using the TV remote. So let's see what happens if we turn the Creative Stage off. You'll find that the TV speakers are now active. We can up the volume. Once again, let's turn on Creative Stage. Audio system is active.
I've never seen a coronation before. So can you tell me what that means?
So this is how you use the HD cable on your Creative Stage and connect it to your TV.